What's up, Sophie? Oh, shit, God. Sophie?
You know about this place. Who are you planning on informing the rest of us? Had been deemed as the partial. Tell us about this when he first arrived. Should have warned us before we launched a counterattack that cost the lives of hundreds of American pilots. There's no way that we could have run our flight if we'd been that effective against drug dealers. So, the little information we have been corrected.
Yeah. Yeah.
NATO and Western Allied installations were the first to be taken out. Then we were hit. They know exactly where and how. Our forces came down 15%. If you calculate the time it takes to destroy a city and move on, we're looking at the worldwide destruction of every major city in the next 36 hours. Exterminate. We have an isolated down in the containment lab, sir. Go see it. Yeah. I'm really anxious to get back to El Toro. How's that going to tell you? El Toro has been completely destroyed.
What's the trail now?
You're You're gonna bite your tail just a little too hard. And that'll be that.
You are. Oh my God.
Are you done? No. What? Here's yours, Sophie. What's on earth that you're so interested? Huh? What? Sophie? What are you doing? You gonna go ape shit again?